Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, April 1st, April Fool's Day. Don't be playing any tricks on your mama. For today's assignment, you're going to read chapter 14, and then there's a diary entry you're going to submit. So the reading from Miss Anderson is here at the bottom. There's the PDF version of the story, and then I want to show you the diary entry. It actually goes along with chapter 13 and 14. So you read chapter 13 on Monday. You may need to look over that again. Otherwise, you're going to write a diary entry based off of those two chapters. In chapters 13 and 14, Maddie gets very sick and is in the Bush Hill Hospital. You're going to pretend to be Maddie. And that means you're going to speak in first person point of view. All right, because diary entries are personal and emotional and would be spoken from the first person perspective, which is using the pronoun I. You're going to write a diary entry for the day she wakes up in the hospital. Include 6 to 8 complete sentences. And a few things that you should consider when you're writing this diary entry. One, she's been very sick. She just woke up in the hospital, so she's very confused. She feels awful. Think about a time when you've been sick and you're kind of coming out of it, but you're still not your best, okay? You just feel awful. She doesn't know where her mom is, and that can be scary. And her grandfather continues to show symptoms, but he insists he's fine. So knowing all of that information, think about and focus how Maddie feels. And again, put it into your personal and emotional perspective from Maddie's perspective. Okay? And just submit that to Wednesday's assignment. Make sure, you guys are doing great, by the way, with like the markup tool or however you're putting your answers on the documents. So make sure you're taking the screenshot, submit it as an image. If for some reason it comes through blank on our end, which we've seen already from a couple students, we can tell you, hey, go in and resubmit it, and you already have it. You don't have to redo the entire assignment. You have a photo of it, and we can make sure that you get it submitted properly. So screenshot everything. That'll save you from trying to find it. Think about being at school when I'm like, put it in the tray. Where should it be? If it's not in your folder, if it's not in the tray. Same kind of concept. Take that screenshot of it, and that kind of protects you and saves your work for you. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me or Miss Anderson. We're here to help you. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.